Hello viewers, as a doctor, you have to take care of many responsibilities. That's why you are probably looking for a laptop that can handle all your tasks, whether you see patients through telehealth or in person, or in a combination of these two. You need a highly reliable machine. We aren't medical experts and don't have any first-hand experience with a doctor's life, but we interviewed 14 medical professionals, doctors, medical professionals, nursing school students to help you find a laptop that's best suited for your needs. Check out our list of the best laptops for doctors and find one that's perfect for you. If you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Number 1. Newest Asus Zenbook 14. Asus Zenbook 14 is one of those machines that don't trade portability for durability. Coming with a not-so-high price tag, the Zenbook 14 can offer all-day usage for telemedicine. Whether you use on-call health or simple practice or some other end-to-end telehealth solution, this model will work well with all. It also packs some of the exclusive features from Asus, such as the Ergo Lift design for an enhanced typing experience. Even so, Asus has priced it quite reasonably. A base clock speed of 2.3 GHz is offered by the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 4700U processor that is inside. The 1 TB SSD storage would boost the booting up speed noticeably, and the combination of 16 GB RAM is up to the mark when you are moving between browser tabs, patient files, and Excel spreadsheets. The laptop won't slow down even for a second. Practically bezel-less is the term we would use for describing the screen of Asus Zenbook 14. The 14-inch Full HD screen has a resolution of 1920 x 1080 and offers immersive viewing angles. AMD Radeon RX Vega 7 graphics would also offer you a decent experience. Unlike most Ultrabook devices, connectivity is a strong forte of the Asus Zenbook 14. It comes with several USB ports and a dedicated micro SD card reader. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. 2021 Newest HP 15. Pavilion series from HP offers utility laptops at an affordable price range. With the latest 11th Gen processor and 16 GB of system memory, the HP Pavilion 15 brings a compact, portable design for medical professionals, including doctors. The laptop sports an 11th generation, quad-core Intel Core i7 1165 G7 processor that clocks at a base speed of 2.8 GHz. The ability to clock up to 4.7 GHz packs a substantial processing power. The Intel Iris Z graphics card is integrated with the chipset and doesn't have a dedicated video memory. Nevertheless, it brings the capacity to breeze through applications, software used by doctors and medical students. The combination of high-speed 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD comes with a promise of smooth operation and adequate storage for work and entertainment. HP tops it up with Windows 10 Pro Edition, with inbuilt security and privacy features like Remote Desktop and BitLocker. The 15.6-inch screen can deliver visuals at a high resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. The IPS-powered FHD screen is further improved by micro-edge bezels, imparting a better viewing experience with wide viewing angles. The inbuilt Bang & Olufsen speakers complement the design with a great music experience. HP accommodates a standard full-size keyboard and a dedicated numeric pad in a compact laptop. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Lenovo IdeaPad 315. The Lenovo IdeaPad 315 2021 is a basic Windows laptop available with AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors. It feels well built even though it's mostly plastic, and it's easy to carry around thanks to its thin and light design. It has good battery life, lasting over 9 hours of light productivity and nearly 8 hours of video playback. The display gets bright enough for use in most settings, but its narrow color gamut makes most content appear washed out, so it isn't ideal for work that requires perfect image accuracy. The webcam's video quality is decent, the touchpad tracks reasonably well, and the keyboard has well-spaced keys, but can be tiring to type on over time. Its Ryzen 5 5300U CPU provides a smooth experience in light productivity, workloads like text formatting, spreadsheets, and web browsing, and it can also handle some 3D rendering work as long as the material isn't overly complex. However, its integrated GPU isn't powerful enough for graphically demanding tasks like AAA gaming or video editing of high-resolution footage. Our Lenovo IdeaPad 3 has an AMD Ryzen 5 5300U CPU, AMD Radeon RX Vita 6 integrated graphics, 8 GB of memory, and 512 GB of SSD storage. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Pro 8-13. Being a doctor also means that you have to run around a lot. Sometimes, you need a laptop that is extremely portable and offers a hybrid design. The Microsoft Surface Pro 8 fits all these requirements and offers one of the best Windows computing experiences out there. Performance-wise, the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 might not be a beast per se. It packs an Intel Core i5 that is clocked at 2.4 GHz and comes with 8 GB of RAM. When accompanied by 128 GB of SSD storage, you can have the smoothest Windows 10 experience for sure. This is assured even when you keep shifting between its laptop mode, tablet mode, and studio mode. It is also loved for the bright and crispy screen it comes with. Thanks to the whopping resolution of 2880 x 1920, you won't miss a thing from the screen. Even those who think a 13-inch touchscreen is not enough would love the smooth Windows experience. Of course, we are not expecting dedicated gaming options from this device. After all, it's made for a smooth, portable computing experience. An area where the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 beats its contenders is battery life. You can expect up to 10.5 hours of battery life from a single charge. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Acer Aspire 5. One of the most successful entry-level Acer laptops is the Acer Aspire 5. If you value portability and the power of connectivity, this package can fulfill all your requirements. When compared to the likes of the MacBook Pro, you don't have to spend that much here either. The Acer Aspire 5 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 4500U processor with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD storage. This combination will offer a smooth Windows experience. The laptop comes with a stunning 15.6 FHD IPS display featuring a narrow bezel design. This display features technologies like Acer Color AI and Blue Light Shield, which will help if you work longer hours without straining your eyes. Coming to design and connectivity, the Acer Aspire 5 has one XUSB 2.0 port and two XUSB 3.2 ports, and an HDMI port for an excellent full range of ports. On top of all this 4.19 pounds device is claimed to offer an amazing battery life of 10 hours, which is pretty great for a laptop in this price range. Empower your workflow and finish projects quickly with the latest AMD Ryzen 4000 series mobile processor, AMD Radeon graphics, and plenty of high-speed storage and memory. With advanced capabilities and a finely tuned design, the Aspire 5 supports a media-heavy lifestyle, making it ideal for anyone creating and sharing on the move. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.